off. This is just a perfect machine for that. And finally, before we do some welding, I know y'all are probably dying to see that. It's got owner's manual on here that you can pull up. It's got accessories that you can pull up. It's got recommended filler metals. So if you're a novice to welding, basically you could buy this machine and it will tell you everything that you need to know. It'll also even send you to where you can watch some videos about it. Technology, I'm telling you, it's absolutely crazy. We can select what type of electrodes we want to run. It will run 6010s. It'll run 6013s, 7018s. It'll run all your rods, but it will run 6010. We can decide whether we want to turn our remote on. So if we plug our remote in, it'll automatically detect it and it'll give us some more instructions right there. Now we don't have anything in there, so it's not going to do anything, of course. It's got a job list. We can put different jobs in here, and we can also load our settings to that job. I thought that was a pretty cool feature. It's got a hot start. I know a lot of you old timers like me, we want that rod to fire off immediately, so we can select how hot we wanted that thing to start, which is kind of cool. And finally, we got arc force, so we can kind of tailor these electrodes. So we can kind of tailor, if we want a soft arc, we want a more aggressive arc, we can do all that. So that's kind of the rundown on the machine. The weight on it's 57 pounds, so I mean, it's not terribly heavy. I mean, I can pick it up just like that and hang on to it. So without further ado, I made some notes here so I could remember a few things. But Joe, my good buddy, your welding coach, which is, this website is wonderful. I'd like to just point out, when I met him a few weeks ago and found out about his videos, I think I watched every one of them. I watched every one of his videos. I'm gonna bring him around and let him weld with it and kind of get his thoughts on it. Joe, you ready?
Yeah, that's right. Let's burn something.
Let's fire it up. And you know what this welder wants to make you do, friends? This welder makes you want to scream.
Can we hear it again?
This welder does not make you want to die. It makes you want to scream.
You heard what he said?
I hope y'all are having fun this morning. Joe, let me get you rigged up.
And I can say this, you know, a lot of these welders that you buy now, you know, they have, the stingers don't really be heavy duty. This is a grown man stinger, y'all don't know. I almost took 2 fingers to do that. This is real. Most of them, you know, they be kind of rinky dinky, but this is worth it. So how much is one of these units? So for those, somebody trying to purchase one of these,
$4,200.
$4,200. So $4,200, and you can get one of these units.
$35.
Oh, sorry. Oh, we give you a discount. It's $3,500. We get a discount if you come down to Welsco. Come down to Welsco in Little Rock, Arkansas, and they got other Welscos through all the Arkansas. So any one of their locations, you can get one, pick one of these up. But we are in Little Rock, Arkansas, off of Roosevelt. So come down here and check this out. This is a great unit. We finna fire it up and see what to do. So these are some 1/8" rods. So
1/8" rods.
To burn these pretty good, huh?
That's fired up, Excalibur, man.
Okay, so that means I shouldn't have too much sticking then. This should be a strike and go.
Just fire it on up.
Find out. How many amps we running?
125, what you want?
That's good.
Okay.
That's good.
On
The hotter the better. The hotter the better, fam. Let me stand in front of y'all, front of here, get situated. Let's see how it burns.
All right.